Want to earn money by writing once a week about something you love? In this episode of Internet Paydays, we're breaking down exactly how to start a paid newsletter using platforms like Beehiiv and Substack. No website needed, no experience required, no massive following necessary, just value-packed emails that people happily subscribe to. Creators are making anywhere from $500 to $50,000 per month with newsletters. Some started with 0 followers. The secret? They deliver massive value in a world drowning in noise. Let's get into it. Why newsletters are making a comeback. Here's the harsh truth. Social media reach is dying. You post on Instagram, 3% of your followers see it. You share on Facebook, algorithm buries it. You go viral on TikTok, but those viewers never come back. But email? Email is different. Here's why newsletters are exploding right now. 1. You own your audience. 2. No algorithm blocking your content. 3. Email subscribers are more loyal and engaged. That's why top creators, journalists, and experts are leaving traditional media and starting paid newsletters. It's income freedom and creative freedom. Choose your newsletter niche. Your niche determines everything: your audience, your income potential, your longevity. Here's what makes a great newsletter niche. 1. Solves a specific problem. People don't subscribe to general life advice. They subscribe to solutions. How to land remote jobs. 2. Delivers weekly insider value. Ask yourself, can I deliver something fresh every week that people would miss if I stopped? 3. Has monetization potential. Are people already spending money in this space? Can you recommend products, tools, or services? Here are some best niches to target. Business and money, personal development, creative and lifestyle, tech and innovation, niche industries. Beehiiv versus Substack. Which platform? Both are free to start and take a percentage only when you make money. Here's the breakdown. Substack, pros. Easiest to start, literally just write and hit send. Built-in discovery network. Simple, clean interface with minimal distractions. Cons, takes 10% of all paid subscriptions. Limited customization and branding. Fewer growth tools built in. Best for writers, journalists, essayists, thought leaders. Beehiiv, pros, only takes 2.9%, you keep more money. Better growth tools. More customization and professional design options. Built-in monetization dashboard with analytics. Cons, slightly steeper learning curve. Less built-in discovery than Substack. Need to build audience from scratch. Best for entrepreneurs, business-focused newsletters, growth hackers. Tools to start your newsletter. 1. Writing and publishing platform, Beehiiv or Substack. 2. AI writing assistant, ChatGPT or Claude AI. 3. Design tools, Canva. 4. Email automation, optional but powerful, ConvertKit, MailChimp. 5. Lead magnets and products, Gumroad. 6. Growth and analytics, Sparkloop. Google Analytics. Beehiiv's built-in analytics. How to grow your subscriber list. Growing a newsletter is the hardest part, but here's the good news. You only need 100 to 500 engaged subscribers to start making money. TikTok and Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. Free growth strategy number 2. Lead magnets. Offer an irresistible freebie in exchange for email. Powerful lead magnet ideas. Checklist, the ultimate topic. Checklist, cheat sheet, 10 ChatGPT prompts that save 5 hours per week. Template, plug and play, tool template. Mini course, 5-day email challenge to result. Resource list, 50 best tools for audience. PDF guide, beginner's guide to topic. Free growth strategy number 3, communities and forums. Where to share without being spammy. Reddit, find relevant subreddits. Add value first, share newsletter in context. Facebook groups, answer questions. Mention I wrote about this in my newsletter. Quora, answer questions. Link to newsletter for full version. Monetization, turning subscribers into income. Promote tools or products you actually use. Software tools, Beehiiv, Canva, ChatGPT+. Courses or books, physical products, Amazon Associates. Services relevant to your niche. Where to find affiliates, share a sale. Impact, Partner Stack. Mistakes to avoid. 1. Inconsistent publishing. Pick a schedule. Weekly is ideal. 2. Writing for everyone. Newsletter for everyone equals newsletter for no one. 3. Not building an email list. From day one. 4. Being too salesy. 5. Ignoring analytics. 6. Not engaging with subscribers. 7. Giving up. Too soon. Most quit in month 2 to 3. Growth is slow at first, then compounds. Commit to 6 months minimum. Plan. Your first 30 days. Week 1. Foundation. Choose your niche. Sign up for Beehiiv or Substack. Write newsletter name and description. Create basic branding, logo/header. Write your first 3 issues. Don't publish yet. Week 2. Launch. Set up landing page. Publish issue number 1. Share on all your social media. Email friends or family. I just started a newsletter. Week 3. Consistency. Publish issue number 2. Post 5 pieces of content on Social Teasing newsletter. Reply to all new subscribers. Engage in 3 new communities. Create 1 viral-worthy social post about your topic. Week 4. Growth mode. Publish issue number 3. Set up referral program. Reach out to 3 newsletter creators for partnerships. Start promoting Lead Magnet aggressively. Day 30. Reflect and plan. Celebrate. You're a newsletter creator. Set month 2 goals. Plan monetization strategy. Keep going. This is where it gets exciting. Bonus, advanced strategies. Grow faster. Create a viral ultimate guide and gate it with email signup. Collaborate with YouTubers or podcasters in your niche. Run a paid webinar, deliver value, and convert to newsletter. Write guest posts for blogs with subscribe to my newsletter CTA. Make more money. Create a premium pro tier at 3 times the basic price with extra value. Bundle newsletter plus course plus community for $297 per year. Launch a yearly founding member sale, $200 for lifetime access. Offer consulting calls exclusively to paid subscribers. Automate everything, welcome sequence, 5 emails automatically sent to new subscribers. Repurpose newsletter issues into Twitter threads, LinkedIn posts. Use Zapier to auto-post new issues to social. Here's the truth. You don't need to be a professional writer. You don't need thousands of followers. You don't need perfect grammar or fancy tools. You just need to care about helping people. Show up consistently. Deliver value every single week. So here's my challenge to you. By the end of today, I want you to pick your niche. Sign up for Beehiiv or Substack. Write your newsletter name and description. Write 1 newsletter issue, even if it's rough. That's it. Just start. Because a year from now, you'll wish you started today. If you found this valuable, do 3 things. Subscribe to Internet Paydays. Every week, I break down a new way to make money online. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Drop your newsletter idea in the comments. Tell me your niche, and I'll give you personalized feedback on how to make it profitable. Share this video with someone who's been wanting to start a newsletter, but didn't know how. Your email list is your asset. No one can take it from you. No algorithm can hide it. It's yours. Start building yours today. And I'll see you in the next Internet Paydays. Now go create something valuable.